My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I worked at IRS over a decade. I've worked thousands and thousands of cases. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution. Me and my M&M man back there gives you a thumbs up for listening. Today I want to talk to you about what happens if you got going on an IRS audit and you don't have any records. Well, you're not alone. I wouldn't worry about it. I wouldn't worry about it one bit, but you will have some work to do if you want to get these deductions on what you call tax reconstruction. So let's just say that I am a general contractor or I have a laborer to fix houses. This is just an example, and I've been called in for the audit, and I just don't have records. Flood, whatever, the cat ate him, the dog, I got a flat tire. Well, you're going to show you have income. IRS probably has found your bank statements. I'm sure they found your bank statements, and once they have found bank statements, they're going to say, "Well, where's the expenses?" Well, one thing you can go is go to the vendors that you bought your product at and say, "Well, here's what I have." Let's say you don't go to vendors. You don't have vendors. Let's say you picked it up here. They don't want to give you receipts. You do what they call tax reconstruction. You said, "Hey, I had this job on 1 Main Street and I received $5,000, and this is the work I've done on the job. I've completed this, this, and this." So you go ahead and estimate the annual or the cost of that job. So let's say you build $5,000, you show a $5,000 deposit. Well, you got to go ahead and said, "Well, I bought baseboards, I bought paint, I bought cabinets," and you can do a reconstruction that way. Depending on how the agent is or how they're not, if you don't like what they've said, just take your case to appeals. If you don't have records, you do want to try to go ahead and at least try to find the records from vendors if you can. Also, what you can do is ask the auditor, "Can you give me 3 months and let me look at 3 jobs, and we'll use that as an average for the year, and let me do a reconstruction on those 3 months rather than a year." So you simply go ahead and you're going to say, "Okay, here's the job. This is what I did." And common sense tells you this is the labor. And if you need to get a written affidavit from the person you did the work for, let the person just write you out something with the work that you did. Also, if you can go take a picture of the work and bring it in, IRS will probably go along with that with written affidavits. So there's a lot of things you can do for tax reconstruction. Do not let the IRS go ahead and twist your arm and say, "Well, you don't have any records." Reconstruction is legal to do. You just have to do some intelligent thinking. And if you don't like what that auditor says, like I said, go to the next level to appeals, but put a nice package together and make sure, if you can, the auditor will kind of minimize this and say, "Hey, let's just take 3 months and let's multiply it, and at least you'll know what I've done." So don't let IRS get away with that. Just do a good reconstructive find a good reconstructive method. If you have questions, you can call me. If you like what I'm telling you, like, subscribe. If you want more information on something, leave it in the comment section and I'll do a YouTube so everyone can benefit. But I do appreciate you liking me. Thank you.